Neil, ano yan, Neil? Nakakay sword, bro.
Nakay sword art.
Ano yan,
Online, bro.
What is that, bro? Why do you have a sword of... Ano yan? What is that?
Sword ni
Parang
Paimon
Rider
to.
sword. Sword ni Paimon? Sword ni Paimon?
Paimon flashback.
Paimon.
Paimon.
Painon daw,
Ain't no
Painon.
way, bro. You miss... I know way Neil actually misses cosplaying Paimon. Kamusta yung pag-cosplay mo ng Paimon?
Oh my gosh. Pag na-release na yun. But,
Ano yan?
sobrang laki ng bigla nung tingin ko sa mga cosplayer, pre.
Whoa! Ain't no way, Neil actually respects cosplayers
lalong
now.
lumaki yung respect ko sa cosplayer, okay?
Okay.
Yan,
Akala ko
nag-low
wala
cosplay
respeto
ako,
sa kanila
okay.
dati. Ain't no way. Bakit? Ano ba nangyari?
Bakit nangyari?
How
Tell
can
us
they
about
do
it,
that?
right?
Alam mo yun?
What do you mean, how can they do that, ha?
Mapatanong ka.
What
Kasi
do you
ang
mean?
hirap gawin. Gets mo?
Ang alin, itago yung sa...
No!
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, what the?
Ano nga?
Yung mga mga cosplay. Na kino-cosplay nila, okay?
Bakit?
Like
what
mga
exactly?
costumes, ganyan, mga DIY. Kasi ako, nag-low cosplay ako, nag-DIY ako.
Siyempre, tayo na kahit sino naman, pag itinabi sa'yo na kahit anong cosplayer, tapos katabi ba naman nila, Trinil na nakalokos cosplay, siyempre, ano sila, may impress sila. Tulad si Trinil, kayo, kinakausap ko, hindi ako kausap ngayon, may kausap na iba. Buti pa si Trinil, may respeto sa mga cosplayers, pero sa ating mga nagpa-podcast dito.
Ay, sorry. Kala ko may kumatok eh.
Ano yan, Idol Trinil? Narinig mo ba ang pinagsasabi ko?
Ultimo daw
Narinig
from the
ko
start.
ng onte.
Ang galing. Ayoko na ulitin yun sa sinabi ko.
Pero yan, tama yun.
Sabi mo na lang, oo, okay.
Tama talaga
Tama,
yan.
tama.
Grabe, oo.
Okay. Ano bang ginawa mo kasi? Alright, bakit ka ba nag-locals? Cosplay? Ano ba? What is this?
Para sa, Honkai Star Rail.
Ano yung nangyari sa Honkai Star Rail?
Wapo ko, shit.
Shit!
Oh my freaking God. Chris!
The self-glaze, bro.
Yes! He's doing
Chris,
it
we need
again!
you, Chris!
He's doing it again! Oh my God, wala si Chris ngayon kasi, he's doing stuff. Alright.
Pero, nakakatuwa lang na hindi ko alam na kaya ko pala yun. Alam mo yun? Like, yung ganong low cosplay na asa palibot ng tao. So, masasabi ko sa sarili kong ang kapal ng mukha ko.
What do you mean
Pero
na palibot
ano,
sa tao? Ano bang nangyari? Can you give us some context?
Buti pa kasi,
bro.
pero said
Ano kami,
maganda yung cosplay ni Neil eh.
Oh, shit!
Like, no bullshit.
Parang
I
nasa Admiral
expected
eh.
worse. Alam mo yun, I expected worse.
Actually, expected worse. Like, parang...
Makinig
Kasi
naman ako.
Shut the fuck up. Wait,
Shut
okay.
your bitch
How many
ass up, bro.
days? Bro, okay? Like, calm your tits down, alright? How many days did it take you to fix that, yung
Days?
Painon cosplay mo?
Days?
Or hours? Days? Hours? Come on. Sige,
Siguro sabihin na whole day. Yeah, whole day.
So it took you the whole day.
Yes,
And it was...
pagbili,
So, ano yan?
paghanap, ganyan.
Okay. I mean, like, paano mo, what was the process of doing it? Like, tipo, saan kayo pumunta, saan kayo bumili, ano yung binili nyo, ano yung mga hinandcraft nyo?
Kasi low cosplay, the word itself is low, di ba? So kung ano lang yung makita mo, nagamit na pwedeng gamitin sa cosplay.
Yeah.
Ang problema, wala akong gamit. Okay? Kaya naghanap pa ako ng sasang-ayon sa cosplay. At the same time, humanap ako ng magaan na materials. Okay?
Okay.
So,
Wow.
i-post mo, editor, yung picture ko. Yan, bang.
Bang.
Okay, nakita nyo ang Painon na hindi legit Painon, okay? Hindi fake. Okay?
Itabi mo dun sa picture ng actual Painon.
Oo, yan.
Bang.
Bang.
Comparison, yan.
Tapos
itabi mo yung Paimon cosplay. Joke.
Bang! Itabi mo yung Paimon cosplay ni Trinil. Bang! Yun yung ko.
So, ayan, naghanap ako ng long sleeve, ng shirt, at naghanap ako ng bra dito.
Bra yun?
Yes, it's a
Bra
bra.
ba yun?
Bra ba yun?
Oh my God.
What
Ilang
the fuck?
cups yun, bro?
Yes, it's a 42C.
42C.
What the fuck?
Then C-cup yun.
Bro.
Ain't no.
Yun yung pinakamalaki nakita kong napakamura kasi syempre budget friendly pa rin.
Oh, wait. So, who came up with the idea na
Na bra na
gamitin
lang.
yung bra sa ano? Yeah.
Ay, While I was looking at the, naghahanap ako ng long sleeve na puti, iniisip ko, ano ba ang maganda dito sa aking braso?
Yung shoulder pad.
Iniisip ko una, yung daluyan ng tubig, the pipes.
Daluyan ng
okay,
tubig.
yeah,
What?
the PVC pipes.
PVC pipe.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero iniisip ko, baka mabigat, nahirap gumalaw,
Yeah.
di ba? Tapos ang hirap idikit. Tapos naisip ko, parang shape siya ng bra.
Bra na lang.
Yun.
Ain't no way.
Yeah.
Neil saw something like shoulder pads and immediately said, "Damn."
Dumaan ako
Like,
sa
it looked
mga
kinda like
aisle ng
a pair of boobies, bro.
Dumaan ako sa aisle ng mga babae, ng mga women's clothing. Tapos
Okay.
syempre, tinitingin ako, nag-iisip ako, ano ba pwede? Tapos nung nakita ko yung bra, parang umilaw yung
Like
Nagkaroon
neuron
na
activate
ako.
ka.
Yes.
Oo.
Tapos, oh shit, paano kaya pag ito na lang?
Damn.
Magaan, pwedeng isinulid, easy to, easy to
Resourceful
carry.
naman ito.
Tapos yun, tapos I
Grabe.
think lang siya, 199 pesos.
Okay.
Boom! Easy.
Boom.
Binili ko na, buy one, take one.
Para sa
Sakto
yung isa.
pa. Hindi.
Sakto. Black,
Black, saka yung medyo puti.
Okay.
So yun naisip. Tapos ito, akala nyo itong kulay na to?
Ano ba yan?
Oh.
Kinulayan pa ata eh.
Aba,
Deport.
so kinulayan mo pa yan, eyeball triangle. Grabe. Tingnan yung before. So before, wala akong makita. Wow! Magkano yan?
Damn.
Magkano yan?
399 pesos. Okay.
Okay, tatandaan ko yung mga cost niya, no? So, yung
399
bra, 100,
pesos.
mga 190, 300 pesos yung sword. O, tapos,
Ay,
Okay,
di
balita
naman
so
ako
far.
gagastos ng ganito kung may gamit na ako dito pang low cosplay, okay?
Oo.
So, considered low cosplay pa rin. Kasi nga, binili ko siya para gamitin ko, okay? Hindi yung isang
tingnan natin kung
lang,
pasok.
alright?
Pag umabot to ng 1,000 pesos, I would say,
Hindi na low cosplay yun?
hindi na masyado low cost cosplay.
Ay,
Pero
hindi
you're still
masyado.
safe right now. 590 pesos. Nasa
Hindi.
490 na tayo. Okay, next.
Yung long sleeve kasi asa malaki kong tao. Kailangan ko ng malaking long sleeve. So,
Magkano yung song
asa yun? 999.
Putang ina mo!
999 yun?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Wala
Ay,
akong
one
mahanap
pad na,
na size ko na 10XL tapos mura.
Okay, sige.
Diba?
Wait lang. A costume, an actual honest-to-goodness costume can probably cost around 3,000 pesos. 3,500.
Depende.
So, medyo
oo.
nasa pasok ka pa, 1.5. Sige, next. Alright,
Tapos,
so, yung spray paint niyan, spray paint mo ba yan? Yung sword na yan?
Oo.
Magkano
Ayun
yung
naman,
spray paint?
magagamit
Sabi
ko
natin.
in my future endeavors. So, hindi counted yun. So, parang andyan lang siya. Onti lang ginamit ko. Pwede
Sabi
kong
na lang
gamitin
natin
sa ano yan.
150 pesos. 150
Okay.
pesos.
Parang dapat di nga
One time.
counted yun eh. Kasi,
Hindi. Kasi
Hindi
parang
ubos or
binili mo
ano
pa rin
eh.
para sa kanya eh. Okay lang yan.
Okay,
150
okay,
pesos.
150.
Alright.
cortina, sa
Cortina? Ano?
yung kulay
Four?
blue.
Okay.
For yung sa
Cortina.
cape ko.
Akip.
Okay. So,
It's like
a curtain,
199, ganun.
199. Lahat to sa SM mo nabili.
Oo. Tapos, Cobra Kama na puti, yung other cape ko,
What
is
the hell
free.
is a Cobre Kama?
It's free.
It's
Yung
free?
parang kumot. Yeah, it's free kasi dito. Yung wife ko, sabi, sige, gamitin mo yan.
Okay, free. Okay, Cobre Kama, whatever. Alright.
Yun na ata.
Anything else?
The rigid
So,
daw.
may mga details din kasi dun sa costume mo eh.
HDMI
Eh,
free, yung display port ko. Kasi ginupit ko lang.
Gago, ang
Kaya
angas
pala
ko.
nawawala yung mga HDMI cables ko dito.
Ay!
Oh my God, bro. Ain't no way, bro.
Tawa
What
sila
the
ng tawa.
hell?
Kasi nakasabit na ganun. Ala, inis.
Actually, that looks kinda looks good.
Ay, check mo yung nasa GC, di ba? Like, look at that shit.
Yeah, see.
Damn.
Level 1.
Level 1 crook tapos level 100 boss.
Level 9 mafia boss. Katabi si Zack. Si Zack yan, di ba?
Si Zaxby. Yeah, bro.
God damn, holy shit. Mukha kang ano niya. Alam mo yung parang...
You're his sniper.
Ikaw,
Ano ka ba?
Yung kay Luffy, alam mo yung kay Luffy?
Oo. Alam mo yung mga marines. Tapos ano. Holy shit.
Tapos-
Tinanong mo ba kung magkano yung costume niya?
Roughly 10.
Oo.
10K!
Fucking hell, bro.
Honestly, like looking at it, god damn,
Yeah,
looks so
the
good.
details, you know.
Oh, bro. 10K. Alam mo yung anong priceless? Yung mukha niya. Okay, tangan, hindi mo mabibili yung mukha, bro. Yung pinakamahal na
Magsama-sama yung mukha natin dyan.
Nagka-problema
Kaya.
pa nga ako sa
Understand.
buhok. Kasi pag nag-wig ako, parang hindi na siya low cosplay. Kasi parang gumastos sa ano.
Nag-spray ka na ng puti.
Nag-spray ka na lang ng puti.
Hindi ako nag-spray ng puti.
Ano yan,
Ano
ano
yan,
yan?
ano yan? Chok yan, no? Chok
Naghanap
yan, no?
muna ng naghanap muna sa SM North ng parang spray, mga hairspray na puti. Pero wala.
Oo. Oo.
Tapos may wig na nakita pero medyo blonde. So wala rin
Okay.
sa team.
Aha.
Ang ginawa na lang, ang naisip namin, bili na lang ng wax. Tapos bili ng baby powder.
Whoa! Who suggested that idea?
Kami collectively hindi isa
Collectively,
Tapos sabi ko, okay lang ako doon sa baby powder. Tapos wax na lang. Tapos collectively na gano'n na lang na.
Damn. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Nice,
I like
nice.
it. I like it.
Kita
I like
niyo
it. I
yung
like the idea.
yung nakasabi.
Yan yung HDMI, guy.
Oh, I see it, bro. How about the other stuff na, yung mga ibang details, yung mga diamonds, yung mga...
Ako, drawing namin
Basta-
ni Suset.
Drawing nyo lang yan?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. With, like,
With
markers?
the
Ganun?
markers.
Wow, tsaga naman.
The markers.
Damn. Tapos yung mga gold, ano na lang yun, yung mga gold shit, inano mo na lang. Tinagyan
Siya
mo
yung
lang sa
nagkabit.
bra.
Ang wife ko ang nagkabit. Sabi ko,
damn.
wow, nilagyan mo ng gold Wow.
Galing naman.
Alpen lang.
Yeah, this is probably Nils, like, pang ilang cosplay mo na to.
Oh my
Dami ng cosplay ni Neil eh.
Parang matatalo ko na si Gloco sa cosplay.
He's more cosplayer than you, bro.
Yeah, actually, he's more cosplayer than me, bro. Bayad pa yan, putang. Ina, bayad pa ng Hoyoverse yan, bro.
Let's go!
Commercial! Gusto mo bang maging hari ng pirata? O gusto mong magka-TT Racing X One Piece chair? Or gusto mo ng table na gumagalaw? Well, di talaga siya gumagalaw. Tumataas. Wait, napakita ko ba? Tumataas baba. Pwes, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check out the link on the description at magkaka-discount pa kayo pag bumili kayo ng TT Racing products pag ginamit nyo ang aming link. Check nyo dyan at para masimulan nyo na ang comfort journey nyo. Back to the video.
Grabe, mi Hoyo. Ginagawa niyong cosplayer si Tridel.
Tapos, eto, yung gloves ko. Ito, it's a socks na ginupit ko.
Sock.
Oh.
Yeah, na maliit. Tapos
Damn. Alright.
yung long sleeve dito na itim, parang binili ko lang siyang 100 something, 100 pesos.
100. Alright.
Tapos yung choker ko, dito ang taon-tawa eh. Kita niyo yung choker ko?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
It's just a headband.
Ginanon.
Well, it works, bro.
It work, bro.
It don't work. Okay.
Yung headband
Overall,
pang badminton or ano, alam mo yun.
Oo.
Yung para hindi ka maano ng pawis.
Yeah.
Nalagay ko lang. Tapos nakakatuwa pa nung tapos na, hindi ko na meron pa pala ako. Nung hinubad ko, parang mga 1 hour ko pa napansin. Butik may choker pa pala.
area na pala eh. Minhara ka pala eh. Jirai ka pala eh.
Red,
Damn.
that's all. You know?
So that's all, bro. Wait, so nandito kayo sa SM North noon?
Yes.
Ano kayo? You guys... Wait, ba't nga pa kayo sa SM North?
Originally,
So,
dapat sa ano kami, sa UST. Pero masama yung
Oh,
panahon,
okay.
tag-ulan, baka bumaha pa.
Okay.
So, contingency plan is dito. And mabuti na lang, parang may permit din. Kasi hindi
Ano,
ka
okay na
makapag
permit?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Wow, agad?
Agad! Ang bilis!
Sino kumuha ng permit?
Siyempre, sila Boss P.
Oh,
Damn.
shit, let's go,
Boss
Boss
P.
P. So, andun sila?
Wala.
Or yung ano
Parang
lang?
may
Okay.
tao lang doon na
Okay. Galing naman. Alright. And then, saan kayo nag-record mismo sa
Una, nag-record kami sa entrance, yung
Okay.
papasok and palabas.
Wow.
Sumunod naman, yung parang may ulti si Painon, yung sumisigaw
Okay.
or something. Ako
Alright.
sa food court.
Nag-ginawa sa food court? Sumigaw ka sa food court?
Sumigaw
Super
ako
Saiyan
as
ka ba doon?
in.
Holy
Kahit
damn!
doon!
See that,
Pag
bro?
nakita
Oh,
niyo
man.
yun!
Hindi pa namin
shit.
napanood eh. At the recording of this, hindi pa namin napanood.
Hindi
We're gonna
naman
react. We're gonna
nakita,
react to it. Akala ko magre-react lang kayo sa
Sa cosplay, yung ano susuotin.
Akala ko magre-react lang sila Neil dun sa video, yung sa promotional video ng
Hindi.
ng Finon, hindi. So this is actually you guys were actually doing skits
Yes.
oh my god, bro.
Yes.
You were grabe.
At yung ako.
Zach,
Sige, go.
parang si Zach siguro, kung ako si Zach and then I had the face card and the outfit, siguro di ako mahihiya. Kasi parang, damn, haters gotta hate. Pero si Neil madaling makita kung sino yung like, if nagsumigaw ka sa food court, makikita nila. Kahit naka-locos ka makikita nila ikaw yun eh.
That's Neil.
Damn, bro.
That is fucking true.
That's it, bro. Ain't no way Neil just fucking did this, bro. Ain't no way.
Sino yung putang inang yun? Na-spoil yung
Sumigaw
pagkain
nga ako.
namin.
Nung sumigaw ako, daing nagtinginan, tapos may dumating na security guard.
What
May
the fuck?
permit po ba kayo? Tama
meron
kami
pa.
na tao.
Damn, bro. Did you record yung mga behind the scenes?
Yes! Si Boss
Ayun,
Khalil.
maganda.
Boss Khalil, thank you so much. Tangina, sinamahan
Boss
niya ako
Khalil, number
maghapon,
one, bro.
magdamag. I love you so
Okay.
much, Boss Khalil. Boss Khalil, number 1.
Boss Khalil, number one, bro.
Grabe. Puta,
Kailan
parang
natin
PA
makikita
na ako
yan?
pa yung
Yan.
binayaran. Puta,
Tangina.
siya pa na libre sa akin. Sabi ko, Boss Khalil.
Ain't no way,
Oh my
Neil. What the
God.
hell? What did you do that, bro?
What are you
Ain't
doing,
no
bro?
way.
What?
Wala na.
Sabi ko,
the
Boss
hell
Khalil,
are you doing,
ako
bro?
na dito. Pero syempre,
Nah, bro.
nilibre ko rin
Ano?
naman siya.
Good.
Hindi lang si Boss Khalil. Kami din dapat ililibre mo.
Ay,
Sabihin mo.
what the
Oo
fuck?
nga, dapat.
Tama. Okay. Thank you, Boss Khalil. Lilibre
Thank you, Boss
tayo na
Khalil.
try nil.
Tara, sa
Okay.
Magan Magic,
So, kailan-
libre ko kayo.
Ayun.
On this Saturday. So, kailan natin ma-expect yung behind the scenes mo?
Behind the scenes, siguro mga...
Pag na-release na?
Pag na-release na.
Pag na-release na.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero
Damn.
gusto ko, pakita ko sa inyo.
Ay!
Mamaya na.
Good
Ay,
ganyan.
spoiler!
Good ganyan.
Ay,
Ay,
spoiler.
Okay. Wag ganyan. Ay, well, don't spoil it. bro.
Na-spoil na.
Alright.
Pag napanood nyo na.
So, how was the overall experience? You know, like, was it fun? Was it,
It was
awkward? Was it
fun.
Was it
It
life-changing?
was fun. Si Zach T nga, nung una, parang medyo nahihiya siya.
Oh.
Kasi nung
Wait,
sumigaw
nahihiya
ako, nasumigaw rin. Kasi dapat siya una. So, sabi ko kasi, ikaw muna una para makita ko paano isigaw. Sabi ako daw muna una. At inaisip ko,
Actually,
tapangan
dapat
ko na
lang.
hiya ko. Dahil ko nang ginawa sa buhay ko. Ngayon pa ba ako mahihiya? Ginagawa ko sa sarili ko. I was hyping myself, bro.
Yan ang mindset.
Lumakad
Yan ang
na ako
mindset.
sa Philippine
Yan ang kailangan ko.
Arena para sa t-shirt. Nagpaimon na ako.
Oo.
Ano man, lahat na
God
ginawa
damn,
ko.
bro.
Ito lang.
W Neil, bro.
As in, grabe yung sigaw. Yung sigaw ko. Ni ako
Yuminig ba yung ano?
Pag nakita nyo yung sigaw ko.
Sampulan
Ang
mo nga
ano
kami,
doon,
Sampulan mo kami. Sampulan mo kami.
hindi, ang ano doon, bago ko sampulan, ang ano doon, malupit doon, 2 beses ako sisigaw.
Bakit?
Kasi nung una, crowd reaction muna.
Oh.
Okay.
Tapos yung pangalawa, nakafocus na sa akin.
Nakafocus sa'yo.
Oo.
Kung maumali. Oo.
Okay.
W cameraman
Okay.
din doon. Grabe yung staff nila, Zach T and ano, WW lahat. And yung cameraman namin doon, si Josh Wu. Yung cosplayer
Okay.
din dati. Basta nakilala ko siya. Sabi ko, ikaw pala yan. So, good. Smooth lahat. So, ito na. Sure kayo, sasampulan ko kayo.
Ay,
Oo, sampalan mo
sampalan
kami.
mo na,
Ah,
idol.
go.
Si Manila.
Sampol.
Sampulan ko kayo, ha?
Panat, idol.
Ano ba yan? Pati ba naman dito, sisigaw ako?
Walang bayad to, ah. Walang bayad to, ah.
May bayad to!
Wala.
Wala, babayaran mo kami.
Sampo lang to.
Papakinggan ka
Oo
namin
nga.
eh. Oh, do it bro, puta.
Do it, bro.
Kung sabihin dito ka pa nahiya sa amin, ina ka. Bigay na
Ayun,
bigay
ayun,
ah.
Bigay na bigay, ah. Yung...
Ito, gumanto ko.
Ayun na.
Yan, gumanyan ako.
Oo.
Tapos,
Di, suotin mo muna yung costume.
Gago. Nagkakat. Pero okay na.
Nag-cut, gago. Isa pa.
Nag-cut kasi ayaw ng
Nag-cut.
ano, maingay.
Ayaw ng Discord. Ayaw ng Discord.
Nag-cut.
Ano mo na, nag-cut yung boses mo.
ano nag-cut?
Mutin mo.
Oh, lol!
Nag-cut.
Sa Discord, guys, sa Discord.
Nag-noise filter siya, bro.
Ah, lapit mo yung camera. Ay, ano, yung mic. Lapit mo.
Gago,
Oh,
mag-filter pa rin yan.
Ayap, nag-filter nga. Ayaw mo na, ah.
What the fuck, literally, naghahaka lang. Naghahaka lang.
Nagano
That's
ako.
it.
Ah!
So, hindi mo sinabi yung ano niya, yung parang signature.
Wala siyang sinabi.
Wala ba sinasabi?
Sinabi si Biden.
Wala.
Okay,
Kasi
Ako-
may,
ako ang
may
panday.
3 ultimate siya eh.
Oo.
Isa yung, Wah! Gaganon. Tapos
Ain't
yung
no
isa,
way, bro.
sword.
Oo.
Tapos
Oh,
yung isa, meteor. Gaganon lang.
Damn, okay. So, you mean to tell me si Zach, he also did that shit?
Yes! Nung
Oh my God.
huli.
Pero sino
Sabi,
nauna?
sabi
Ay,
niya,
ikaw.
nakakatawa si Zach T kasi sabi niya, para may ano rin si Trinil, kailangan ko rin sumigaw kasi sumigaw siya. So parang
Oh,
nagka-courage
damn.
na siya. Ang malupit, sumigaw siya bandang Vikings. Yung mga taong nakapila para kumain.
Yeah, okay lang yun kasi at least makita na, wow, a real Viking! What the hell?
Damn.
Ay, mga iba
Promo
doon,
lang
gutom
nila
na eh.
to.
Puking ina, gutom na ako. Ganun. Sisigaw sa escalator.
Damn, bro. Like,
It's a fun experience, man.
that's good. So, ano na masasabi mo sa mga cosplayers ngayon? Like, looking at Zach, seeing his costume,
man.
the things that, like, what do you think?
Sinabi
What do you
ko,
think, bro?
grabe Zach, grabe, bilib na talaga ako sa cosplayers. Sa costumes mo, ganyan. Sa dedication nila para maisabuhay yung character na yun in real life, you know. And makapagbigay saya sa mga taong, alam mo yun. Pag kunyari, nakita mo, ay, favorite ko si Gon. Nakita mo si Gon sa totoong buhay na cosplay, di ba? Parang maano ka rin, oh my gosh! I'm happy! Di ba, ganun? Dark Continent! Di ba? Mga ganun bagay, di ba?
What if being ito scenario? Think of like your favorite character mo, okay? Favorite anime character. Yeah?
Mhm.
Picture that guy. Now, picture a person you hate the most. Picture someone that you absolutely hate.
Mhm.
Now, imagine them cosplaying that character na gusto mo. Now, sabi natin, like, he pulled it off. Like, he or she pulled it off really well. Ang ganda ng costume. Ang ganda ng makeup. But, turns out, it's a piece of shit person that you've always hated.
Hindi matatakpan ng makeup ang cosplay ang kakupalan ng isang tao.
Oh, shit! Damn! What the hell? Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo, putang ina. Putang ina. Do you think it like, parang, does it matter? Kasi for example, ako, let's say for example, I have this really cool character na I admire. And then, like, let's say, si Saitama, di ba? Saitama. Putang ina, kinosplay ni Andrew Tate. Putang ina. That's parang para sa akin, that kind of ruins the fucking character for me. Alam mo yun? Like parang I know it's just a fictional character, but like if I see like someone cosplaying a character that has certain values, tapos tang ina kino-cosplay siya ng isang taong tang ina has literally the opposite of those fucking values, then I would cringe, bro. Like kahit kano pa kaganda, kahit kano pa kaganda or kabagay yung cosplay na yun.
Kasi if may nakakita na kunyari picture mo, nakita ko, hindi ko tatanungin yung character tatanungin ko rin kung sino yung nagko-cosplay na yun 'di ba? Para ma-check rin yung gawa niya, ganyan, 'di ba? Paano pag sinabi mo, ay si Andrew Tate yan, tapos tinignan ko mga kabalahuran pala yung yung asa ibang post niya, 'di ba? So parang paano ko siya parang ma-follow for that one cosplay.
But how about, let's say for example, there was this one issue recently. Di ko kilala sila. They're like a fucking vlogging couple. Or basta celebrity couple sila. And then may anak sila. So, what they posted was, syempre pag may anak ka, parang minsan gusto mo ng, di ko alam kung ano tawag yung pictorial na yun, parang family pictorial, or just to celebrate the birthday of your son or daughter. Tapos, ito yung costume. So, si daddy, he's cosplaying si Kogoro Mori.
Yun yun.
Okay.
From what?
Yung detective
Detective
sa Detective Conan.
Okay.
He's like siya yung laging nina-knock out ni Conan. Okay. Si Detective Mori. Tapos, yung nanay, kino-cosplay si Ran.
Yung
babae. Yung gusto yung
Ate ni
babae.
yung niya, yung crush niya.
Okay. And then, yung anak, kino-cosplay
Si Conan.
as si Conan mismo. Okay. It looks cute, right? It looks cute, though. Looks cute. Now, if you know the context of the relationship ng tatlong character na yun, which is si Kogoro Mori, si Detective Mori, anak niya si Ran.
Yes. Tama.
Okay. Si Conan, wala namang relationship or anything. But yun lang. So, people were going crazy about it. Na tipo, bakit ganyan yung nyo?
Pinasplay nila.
Yung cosplay nyo. Ano ba yan? Sweet Home Alabang? Sweet Home Alabang ba to? Ganun.
Alabama.
Para sa akin, no? Like, pero sa inyo, ano sa tingin nyo? Like, is it done in good taste? Is it just like a lighthearted thing?
I feel like
what do you
people
think?
will just have something to hate about.
Yeah.
That's true.
Okay. Alright, cool.
Lahat naman ng tao may masasabi. Pero sa context rin, kasi meron nga Naruto Sasuke, di ba? Pinag-ship nila. Di ba? Like,
Ain't no way, bro. You wanna trigger the Narusasu
bro.
bro. Ain't no way, bro. That's a hornet's nest, bro.
Don't go down, bro.
Don't go there, bro. Di natin kaya yung Narusasu, bro. Yung mga Bakugo, tapos si Midoriya.
Midoriya.
Hindi natin kaya yung mga powers na mga yan.
There's true stuff.
But yeah, I do agree na parang if you look at it with the context in mind, parang I think it's more of like kasalanan mo na yun. It's a you issue if you think that it's done in bad taste. Kasi para sa akin, like if it's just, what if they just like the characters, diba? They just like the franchise. And then, wala namang kasing nanay si Ran dun sa show.
Malay mo,
wala rin namang
kamukha niya
parents wala rin namang parents na pinakita dun sa anime about dun sa yung actual parents ni Conan. So, who else to freaking cosplay, di ba? So, despite it does look funny if you're just looking through it with the context in mind na mag-ama si Ran tapos si Kogoro Mori. Pero I think for me, it was just a cute photo shoot, and it kind of sucks that people were but it kind of sucks that the weebs were shitting on them for that. Kasi ito rin naisip ko, what if ako, nag-cosplay ako. Kami ni Dengshan mag-cosplay kami.
Ano?
Ang cosplay ni Dengshan si Mau Mau. Okay.
Ow.
Alright.
Si Mau Mau.
Si Mau Mau yung isang
Yung ano,
character. Isang anime character siya. Okay. Si
Ah.
Mau Mau, may tatay siya. Yung tatay ni Mau Mau, i-search mo. Father of Mau Mau. Si
Lakan.
Si Lakan. Yan, si Lakan. Tingnan mo.
Kamukha ni Lakan
Right
si sa Jujutsu no Kaisen si ano. Ay hindi, malayo
Geto.
pala. Malayo pala. So malayo lang pala. Ayan
Okay.
Kamukha
So,
mo
you look
to
at
si
Mau Mau.
Lakan.
Oh, yan.
Ah.
So what if nag-cosplay kami ni Dengshan, ganyan, di ba? Like, siya si Mau Mau, ako si Lakan. Tapos pag pinost ko yun, will the internet react the
wild.
same way? Na tipong, what the hell, ako? What the fuck? That's your daughter. What are you doing, bro?
Sabihin mo hopefully, gago.
What do you mean, hopefully? What the fuck?
Hopefully they'd react that way, no? Posting it online
we
is
will
dalawa,
find
okay?
out.
Dalawa, okay? If
Okay,
pinablik
okay,
mo,
okay.
it means you posted it so people will see it, diba? And if people react that way, that's engagement, bro. Edi mas lagong
Yeah, it is.
makikita
I know. It's more of like, people know that I'm a fucking weeb. Tapos, with that context in mind, like, I'm just curious how people are gonna react.
Probably the same way, you know?
Parang, I mean, are they gonna react like that just to just for the memes, or is it more of like parang may animosity na parang what the fuck, man, you're a sick fuck, parang ganun. Ganun ba sila? Honestly, I won't really give a fuck either
Probably
way,
not.
But I'm actually curious kung ano mangyari. So maybe in the future, I'll see.
Siguro yung yung
Mahanap ako
Conan thingy naman, naging ganun siya kasi ako personally, I don't fucking know that person. Sabi mo celebrity yun, di ba? I don't fucking know him.
celebrity
Bro.
couple
I have
yun.
never, actually ngayon hindi ko nga maalala kung sino yun eh. So
Same.
probably imagine I'm an anime elitist and then di ko kilala yun, like what the fuck, ang bobo naman ito, parang bandwago ng puta ganun. So mag-comment ako
okay.
ng ganun. That's it. Pero kung ikaw magpo-post ng ganun, they're probably gonna may puta na si Gloco to. This guy's fucking with us ganun, mga ganun na di ba?
Si Rage Baiting.
Meron na
Parang alam mo yun.
Yeah.
I feel like
Yun nga.
may din kung sino nag-post.
Yeah, it depends, no. Okay. Depends on the messenger pala, no?
Yes, tama.
Yun
The right
nag-send.
message but the wrong messenger paminsan kasi. Okay. There you go. Guys, let's give a rating on Trinil's cosplay, low-cost cosplay. Out of 10. Out of 10, man. Looking at it, ako mauna. Looking at it, I'd give it like a solid, knowing how you did it, I'll give you mad props. 7.5 out of 10, bro. 7.5 out of 10. Would have been higher kung hindi masyado mahal yung yung long sleeves na 999. You know, if naukay-ukay mo sana yan ng 400 or 500, I'd give you like 8. So, I'll give you a fair 7.5 out of 10. Ayun. Ken, ikaw, how much will you give Neil for this low
Sa
cost
size ko kasi,
Um,
baka sa okay, wala rin
siguro.
ganun eh.
For sure, 8 din. Yeah, kasi wala man ako.
What's your favorite one?
Wala
here?
akong experience Doon nakakasal lang ako
Yeah.
doon sa brand na ginawa niya ng paraan. Sabi ko, I would never think about that. Like, hindi ko maisip
bro.
sa utak ko yun na gagawin yun. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Honestly, same. Same. Pati yung HDMI.
HDMI
that's
din,
actually
yeah.
pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay. Okay, John.
You know, I'll give it a 10, bro.
Oh,
Whoa,
shit!
bro. Damn, bro. Ain't no you glazing
Ain't no
this
way,
guy,
bro.
bro.
Ano ba gusto mo, ha?
You know, I
Gusto ba
expected
tayo,
worse,
ano?
legit. Like, sa utak ko, like, nakita ko kasi itsura ni Pino na like, okay, yung gagawin ni Neil dito. Naisip ko yung mga garbage bag, mga ganun eh. Sabi ko, what the fuck? This looks better
nice.
than what I expected.
It's actually
eh.
good. Actually
Diba?
good. And
Looks
knowing how,
better
like,
Hindi, yung nagsisend kasi siyang picture, putang ina eh, pinipentel pen niya yung yung puting, what the
Damit.
fuck? Pero nung malayo na,
Yeah.
di ba? Parang mas di mo nakikita yung flaws ng I don't know, I'm
Pag
just...
nakatalikod, parang admiral eh.
Yeah.
That's true. I mean, like, I'd expect, parang if ever man suotin mo to na actual convention, I think you can blend in.
Like, people will not think like, oh, look at that low-cost cosplay.
No. Yeah, actually, bro, wala silang like, you're just, wow, nice. Pwede nga ito sa pwede yan sa Ren Fair.
Damn.
Oh, shit,
Tuloy mo
bro.
na yan.
O, keep mo na
Pag
yan,
dadalhin yung
gago.
espada mo.
Oy,
very good.
ito nga yung nagpaganda.
Hindi,
Hindi,
wag mo. Ren
pang-
Fair
Ren Fair nga.
Kaya nakakita ng Ren Fair na may lightning sword na
wala
pota.
ba?
It's like a fantasy
Ano,
cosplay.
nakakatawa nga
na.
dito, nung namin siya, halos parehas na maliit lang version. At ang maganda,
Damn! Umiilaw!
Stop lighting.
Hello, idol.
tapos nung may acting kami doon na hinati ko yung sword niya.
Umilaw. Sa akin ang
Ako
tunay.
natawa nung nangyari yun.
Oh, goddamn. Congrats, Neil, on the
Hopefully,
successful
mapapanood natin yun.
shoot. Okay, sana
tama.
kung by this time siguro na na-release na.
Ini-edit
By the
na
time
yan.
Kapag na-release tong yung podcast na
yung podcast na. Hanapin nyo na lang. Yun na lang sa page nila or something. Ayun. Okay, in other news, by the way, My Chemical Romance is coming up here in the Philippines.
Let's go!
Are you guys interested? Are you guys hyped for it?
Not
Nanonood
really,
ba kayo?
but you know.
Not really, bro.
Di ko kasi kapanahonan yun eh.
Concert watcher
What
talaga
the fuck? Di mo...
Papanunan natin to pero di ko nga lang fit.
Gago,
Hindi ko napanahonan
may
yun.
nakita akong post about yung ang last time daw sila pumunta was 18 years ago. So imagine
18
that
or
shit.
7. Yeah.
Shit. 18 years ago, bro.
Pero ano ba, di ko kapanahonan kasi yun.
My Chemical Romance,
Kapanahonan ko yung mga
nakikinig
Ibong
ng The
Navarro.
Well, it doesn't matter kung kapanahonan mo sila, pero did you listen to them, bro?
Utang na,
My
wawawin ako
Chemical
dati.
Romance sa Bong Navarro.
Kapanahonan.
Ano gusto mo? Ang galing sumay.
Toto Vivo.
Kailan magkakosya si Bong Navarro?
Ito like, fun fact sa lore ko. Okay. My Chemical Romance was probably... hindi ako emo kid but I just love their songs. And, di ba uso dati yung nagbe-burn tayo ng mga CDs.
Yeah.
For yung mga playlist natin. So, My Chemical Romance was the first band na binili ko talaga with my money yung album nila. Yung CD album. Their legit CD album.
Damn!
Bought
You
it.
still
bro.
have it?
No, I don't know. Wala na.
Wala na.
I don't even know where it is anymore, but I was super proud kasi ang ganda tingnan nung ang ganda tingnan nung album cover, and then yung mga listahan ng and then dude, I was just playing that for like a month. Kahit bago ako matulog, yun yung piniplay ko, naka-loop. I was listening to Dead, I was listening to Blood, I was listening to Cancer, lahat, man.
Damn.
So, Final Fantasy, My Chemical Romance. My Chemical Romance is actually, kumbaga, sa lahat ng mga banda sa mundo, sila yung, sa tingin ko, pinaka na-deep dive ko. Or parang pinakinggan ko the most. I listened to a lot of bands like Blink-182, Limp Bizkit, gano'n, Linkin Park. Pero yung My
Linkin
Chemical
Park,
Romance talaga, yung parang sinapuso ko talaga. So, I'm kind of salty that
Wala ka.
yung concert nila is on 2026,
fuck.
April, and by that time,
Wala na.
I'm probably not here in the Philippines.
Wala ba sila doon?
Fuck!
Wala ba silang like world tour
Okay.
or whatever?
Okay, here's the thing. Okay. Lang huling concert nila sa UK was 2002, bro.
Tagal na
Like
rin.
right before mag-COVID. So I already missed it, bro. Minsan lang minsan lang mag-concert tong My Chemical Romance
2002?
And yeah, 2002 sila nag-concert huli sa UK. Sa
Ah,
UK,
fuck. Why did you say
2000
before mag-COVID? It was
2000
like,
Ay, sorry, 2022. 2022.
What the fuck?
2022.
Ang 2022.
Ang laki naman ng jump gag.
After COVID daw.
2022.
Okay.
Ayan, my bad. But man, I'm super if ever man di ako makaabot dito sa sa concert nito, I'd be super duper jealous. Kasi here's the
pumunta.
thing, man. Have you seen any videos of their live performance? Yung My Chemical Romance or
Hindi.
live recordings? Okay.
Konti.
Here's the funny thing
Why?
about it. Everyone knows na yung yung vocalist, si Gerard Way,
Yeah.
he absolutely sucks at singing live.
Damn.
He sucks. He absolutely sucks. And the fans know this. Pag manood kayo ng isang live concert ng My Chemical Romance, parang sobrang medyo malayo, halatang malayo yung energy, yung pitch and everything compared to like pag pinapakinggan mo yung CD nila or yung
Sa
yung
Yeah,
recorded
sa recording nila.
recorded songs nila. And people are totally fine with it.
Yeah,
And
but I
ito
didn't know
yung parang
that. Okay, sige, tuloy.
yun yung parang privilege na gusto ko maranasan. Like, I wanna hear and see for myself how much Gerard Way sucks in singing, bro. Lalo na ngayon na ang tanda niya na. Like, damn, bro. Like, feeling ko mamamalat siya or mapapaos siya dun sa lahat
Pipiyok
ng
siya,
songs.
gaga.
And,
Pipiyok
yeah,
siya.
pipiyok siya. Everything. Dude, and I'd be super happy if I hear that. It's come to that level na.
Na he's
Like,
probably
the
gonna
fans
stop
love
singing
it.
and then the fans are just gonna keep singing, you know?
Oh, sing everything! Ganun. I mean, yung fans na yung tatapos na song. Man, I want to feel that energy, bro. But fuck! I don't know, man.
Wala.
Damn,
Wala sa
hindi ko kaya. Wala ako eyeball, so good luck na lang sa inyo if If tickets do come out for sale, anuhin nyo na.
Sana walang scalper
Grabe.
gag.
Kunan
Wala
niyo.
sang scalper.
Kunan nyo ako. Bilhan nyo rin ako, please. Thank you. Try kong bumiyahe. Try kong pilitin bumiyahe on April. Why not? There are also other places. Singapore, sold out na ngayon Singapore ngayon eh. Ano pa ba?
Gago,
Other
yung-
places,
yung-
Jakarta,
yung
Indonesia
ano,
rin.
Yung bentahan ng tickets like November, September,
November pa.
ganun.
Shit.
I think you can buy one, bro.
I don't know. Hopefully, the people who contact me for Ado will also contact me again for this one. And then, who knows? Maybe I'll shill out some money just to fly back. Tingnan natin. Kasi minsan lang talaga, sobrang once in a lifetime to eh. I mean, sabi mo nga, 18 years. It took them 18 years to come back here in the Philippines.
Pwede, di mo pa napakinggan sila Gian live?
Hindi pa.
Ah,
Yun na nga. And that's why it's that everyone's going crazy kasi the people have been waiting for this. 18 years ago, the people who listened to My Chemical Romance, yung generation namin, we didn't have fucking money. We didn't have money to go to concerts and shit. Probably yung mga kabatch ko, never even went to any concert at all. And ngayon, this could be their last chance to heal their inner childhood. To
Damn.
attend a concert with the same people, you know, with their people. So that's why people are super hyped for this. So kahit ano pa yan, kahit maasim pa yung mga alam naman natin kano kaasim pag nasa nasa Philippine Arena. Pero sige lang, go lang. For the Black Parade, why the pack not?
Damn, yun ba yung Yun ba yung... Wait,
What?
itong concert na to, yun ba yung nila, yung post nila nung or nag-post sila nun for the sake of like nag 25 years sila or 30? Was it 20?
I don't know, man. And I think one of the drummers is gone. Patay na yata yung isang drummer nila eh.
Damn, they do be
Or
old,
was it
bro.
a different band? I forgot.
Yeah, different
But yeah.
band, bro.
I cannot wait, bro. No. Actually, I secretly ini-evil eye ko tong concert na to. Okay.
Go yan, evil eye mo.
I secretly hope na hindi matuloy at ma-postpone siya.
Bakit hindi?
Sure na lang.
Para makahabol ako. Man, but yeah, My Chemical Romance, bro, they kumbaga give like an iconic band, like a super iconic band of a generation.
Tubero.
Ina, parokya ni Edgar.
Kumbaga for the emo kids, this is probably yun yung parokya ni Edgar na.
Eh.
Oh, okay,
Parokya ni Edgar.
They're like, or sila yung parang sila yung the Beatles ng mga ng screamo, emo screamo genre. Or maybe I'm glazing them too much, but man, I love them so much.
May may
So,
upcoming kaming papanoorin ngayon eh.
Ano?
Mayday Parade.
Mayday Parade. That's a pretty good band too. Never listened to them, but
You know, Revelation, I have never listened.
No, first time mo narinig doon.
what the
Samahan
hell?
samahan ko yung GF ko, gag. It's one of her
Mayday
favorite
Parade
bands.
pa, no? Damn, that's cool. That's fucking cool. So, yun lang naman. I just wanted to share that. So, good luck sa'yo, Joe, sa mga bibili ng concert ticket.
Kung wala, bibili ka rin eh.
Bibili ka rin eh.
Dude, kung hindi lang ganun kamahal yung ticket pabalik. Dude, I swear, man, 30K ang
Benta
ticket
mo ay
one way.
benta mo.
Or move mo na
I mean,
lang yung paalis
Bili mo tapos benta mo lang.
Oh, man. I'll try pa rin. Sana, I hope I can get a free ticket.
Oh.
Baka
Wow!
naman.
Wow!
Maybe I
Yeah,
get...
pipa.
Wow!
Yung mga concert agency, yung
sasabihin
nag-contact sa akin sa Ado. Alam ko kasi yung nag-contact sa akin sa Ado, sila rin yung mag-handle ng ticket sales nito eh.
Tapos sasabihin mo
Could be a chance, bro. Could be a
Di ba
chance.
kay Ado, bawal lang picture and video. Dito, pwede mag-video. So magla-livestream ka, Halloween. You're gonna
I'll double down. I'm gonna double down on
You're
this.
gonna double down.
Again. That's it for My Chemical Romance. So, yun, kinakit na lang if ever. Right, moving on. What else ang happening sa mundo ngayon? Did everyone watch Squid Game?
No.
Me.
Season 2?
Yes.
Not
Everyone
yet.
watched it? Hindi pa si John, hindi pa niya napapanood. Damn, so we can't really talk about it though. Pero sige, let's just go on a quick rundown lang. Did you like it? Did you like
No.
Squid Game Season
No.
2? Bakit?
No, the
Para
season
sa
3.
Atlantic,
Season
no.
3 and season 2, no.
The fuck?
Season 2 o Season 3? Okay,
Go,
okay.
come on,
Season
go,
3.
go, come on, go!
Okay, wait. Season 3 yung Season 3 yung latest na.
Yeah, 3 yung
nakalabas na.
pinaka-latest.
Okay, so Season 1,
best.
let's start rating it. So
Mm.
Season 1 was pretty good.
Yeah, season 1.
I like it.
Season
It
1
gave
is
a
Go
pretty-
Dead. Alam mo yung mga pictures na yung kabayo.
Yeah, yung
Oh,
bubo.
yeah,
Yung sobrang HD.
yeah. Maganda. Squid Game
Maganda,
season,
maganda,
all agree.
maganda.
It was pretty goated. I
Yes.
love it. We all love it. Yan. Squid Game Season 2, yung si Thanos World.
I mean, medyo
Thanos
HD
World.
yung kabayo. Pag,
Mga mid, yung mga
medyo.
6,
Yeah,
oo.
HD. Na 1080p. Kumbaga
1080p.
4K
1080p
yung
yan.
first
4K
season
yung
was
isa
like
eh.
4K.
2K.
4K,
Okay,
2K.
ito 1080p, 1080p.
Yes.
Okay, everyone liked it. Alright, Season 3.
360p pre.
144p,
Grabe.
pre.
Ano,
144p.
140.
Ay, nako, mas madouble dyan.
140,
Y'all
4P,
really
bro.
hated? Holy shit.
Just don't
Di nga
like it.
siya
I feel like-
HD eh.
I feel like Squid Game shouldn't, like, it's not the type of story na may magandang ending,
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Kasi
it's,
like,
not
what's
the, it's not
one-
the ending.
No,
Pero yeah,
why?
I agree. It's not the ending eh. It's more of like
How it progressed, ano ba?
Yeah.
how
so-
it it's more of like the characters, everything that they stood by for and everything.
Pag
Like,
napanood
parang
mo
they
dyan,
they
mapapa-
just shit on everything that parang kung ano yung binuild up nila on the first and second season.
Mapapa-cringe ka.
Parang they threw it out of the fucking window. You know?
Alam mo yung parang ano dyan, parang, you're reaching, dude, you're reaching. Yun yung ginawa nila. As in.
I agree that a show like that shouldn't have a good ending. Parang I would
Yeah.
fuck with it kung hindi natin makuha yung happy
At
ending.
one
or
point,
anything.
dun sa ending, like,
But-
iniisip ko yung VIP, please stop. Like, be you main, yun yung pinaka sa dulo eh. Sana yung VIP, they will
No,
say
I
na
wouldn't.
fucking
Wala,
stop. Ganun, wala eh.
Hey, bro, na-
VIP sila eh. Hindi ko i-expect na mangyayari
Bro,
yun.
I was
na-cringe
expecting
na
that
ako
shit.
nung nagsalita sila and nawala na yung parang immersion shit.
Immersion
Ganun
yan.
naman talaga sila nung simula
Simula
pa
pa lang,
lang,
yeah,
Squid Game
season
Season 1. Ganun pa rin. Mas cringe pa nga yung VIPs dun sa Season 1 eh.
Nagsalita ba sila ron?
Oh,
Yes!
they were so cringe, bro. They were
Di,
Di
gusto mo
mas-
paalala ko sa'yo kung kailan sila nagsalita?
Parang silang
Kailan?
AI.
Sabi niya na-
Parang silang AI magsalita, gago.
Sabi nung isa, gagong ganda ng kamay mo ah. Pasok ka sa kwarto ko mamaya. Bibigyan kita ng bagong rubber shoes. Gumanon yun eh. Di mo maalala? Di mo alam yun! Yung nag-infiltrate na police. Nag-infiltrate siya sa yung nagsaserve. Tapos nakita nung VIP yung puta, ganda ng kamay mo ah.
What the fuck, man?
Pinatay niya ata yun or something.
Kasi basta yun, nag-mask din siya nun. But yeah, within season
Tara,
3.
mas
We'll
naging
talk
cringe
more.
sila sa season 2 at season 3.
This season 3 parang wala na rin, hindi ko na pinainan.
Didn't
Parang
they
background
like
characters
just
na sila.
open up a new like may cinematic universe na sila, like
What do you
we're gonna get
shit,
future like
oh shit, yung dulo,
may
pre.
may USA na tapos may
Holy shit,
they're gonna do a
John!
spin-off of like how it started, which is yung 1967
You
or
spoil
something 18.
you spoil yourself, bro.
Napanood ko na yun yung dulo, like may mga pictures
shit.
kasi kumalat. Pero before kasi lumabas yung 3, may may picture na kumakalat yung, alam mo yung Marvel,
Yung
di ba?
roadmap nila?
Roadmap. Puta, may nakikita USA.
ba yun?
Yes!
Meron,
it looks like
meron.
it, bro. It looks
Sa
like it,
dulo.
bro.
Dude,
Ano
that would be
mga
so
laro?
cringe. Why would you make a Squid Game in the US?
Wala ba sa dulo?
Money, bro.
Hindi, I know, nakita
Ano
ko
yung
nga
laro
yun.
nila,
Pero that's like
basketball,
parang,
mga ganun.
can they just stop? Can they just stop?
They can't,
Tayo
bro.
na, nag-cringe nga ako na tipong, okay, nasa USA sila, and you know what they're playing? They're playing Dakji. They're playing a
Oh,
Korean
yeah.
game in the
Oo.
fucking,
Kasi it started in Korea,
in the
oh.
back streets of LA.
Sila
That's
sa
so
Bro,
dumb.
man.
Putang ina,
Di
ba
ko
may-
napansin yun kasi
May ganun nga
na-cringe
tayong
na
laro
ako.
sa Pilipinas
Ganun sila.
yung Pogs.
Pogs.
Pogs, okay, sige, pero dude, wala bang cultural game yung like you can just use dice, you can use anything, but Dakji pa, sobrang out of place, man.
Nah, bro, it started in Korea, okay? Leave it
I know
be,
it
bro.
started in Korea, but you know what, it could have been kasi it's a cultural thing, 'di ba? Yung yung mga games sa Squid Game. It's a cultural thing. Wala pa sobrang what do you call? Oh my god, I lost my vocabulary, bro. Kumbaga, sobrang walang culture ba ng Amerika to the point
Meron
Wala
yan,
pa
Walang
gago.
nila.
culture ba ng Amerika na wala silang mga folk games that
Meron
they can reference
yan.
for this? O bakit Dakji yun nila?
It's just it
feel
fits
like,
kasi it's a Korean series. Baka pag sa US series na iba na yung lalaroin nila. Who knows, bro?
like, parang like a fucking yan yung like a mechanical bull, parang ganun.
Yeah, mga ganun. Yes.
Like a
They're probably
rodeo
gonna
and
do
shit
that
like that.
Ano kaya
Diba?
magiging story nila, no?
You know what? They should just stop. I'm
Nah,
super
bro.
down. Dude, I'm down
I-
if prequel yung 19 something na
Ayun,
Squid Game.
maganda
That'll
yun,
be
yeah.
great. That'll be great. I would watch that. I'd fuck with that.
Pero yung
Game,
US,
America.
yung EU, mga ganun.
Yeah, I think that's just milking the franchise at this
It
point.
is milking the franchise.
It is.
I think when they drop the first season, they be like, "Oh my fucking god, look at the look at
The money, bro.
look at the
The numbers.
the numbers na nakuha natin."
And that sucks, bro. Ano ko na lang siguro sa Squid Game, like, I stand by my original opinion that, bro, should have just hopped on that fucking
plane,
plane.
tama.
True.
He should have just hopped on that freaking plane.
What I
Enjoy
immediately
life,
thought,
bro.
bro.
Enjoy life.
Kasi nung
Panalo ka
nakita
na.
ko yung buhay niya after nun, di ba? Yung parang sabi sa kanya, bakit hindi ka sumasakay sa aeroplano? Ganun, di ba? So umalis siya. And then yung buhay niya,
Nasa hotel.
Nasa hotel.
Nasa
Yung
hotel.
cash niya. I don't know, bro.
Yeah. Dude, he was
I don't
literally using blood money to buy guns and to purchase hotels and hire people.
No, he has
so, parang
this,
ginamit niya pa rin. Parang ginamit niya pa rin yung pera na panalunan niya. And he actually kept it. It was in a hotel room. And
Eh,
Parang may guilt
kinuha
na,
ng
may
ano?
survivor's
Yeah,
guilt.
oh,
binigay naman.
spoilers!
Yeah.
Spoilers,
Spoilers.
spoilers.
Kinuha
Buti, di
ng
ko
nanay
narinig.
at tatay
Buti
mo,
na.
pinambili nila ng hotdog.
Buti na lang, di ako nakinig. Anyways, yun lang
Yeah,
naman
Squid
yun.
Game. Squid Game, maybe we'll talk about it.
What about
Pag-
Squid Game Philippines, bro?
napanood na niya.
What if i-out ng Philippines yan?
Squid Game Philippines.
Kagi, meron
Oh
na
my
nga
God.
kahit wala
Pero
pang
ba?
show. Eh. What do you mean, bro?
Alam ko na,
What
alam
do
ko na,
you
bro.
mean, bro?
Bro, alam ko na kung saan yung island.
Oh my gosh.
Sa ano?
Sa Taal Volcano, gaga. Nasa Taal Volcano yung island ng Squid Game
Squid
Philippines.
Game
Ano laro, sabong?
Oo, hindi lang. Tayo, ang dami natin. May luksong baka
May
tayo.
luksong baka tayo. Dami nating laro eh.
Bahay-bayan.
Eh.
Loksong baka. Ano yung, payaw.
Bro, ano yung
Tumbang preso.
tumbang preso.
Tumbang
Oh,
preso.
diba? Trompo.
Toskoy.
trompo din.
Trompo.
Dami, bro. Agawan
Hipa.
buko. Tangay na,
Agawan buko
magkakasakad kayo
din.
ng diwa doon, bro. Oh, diba?
Gago, angas
Ano rin
ng
natin,
tumbang
no?
preso. Tapos
Habulan ng
kung,
baboy.
Yeah,
kung
habulan
sino
ng
yung
baboy.
kaya yun yung may hawak sila na melee weapon, you know.
Oh, putang.
Tanga na, angas ng boy.
Angas nun.
Diba? Puta
Yeah.
na.
How about this? How about casting ng Squid Game Philippines? Who is your frontman, bro?
Si Trinil, gago.
Try this. Si Gian yung 456 OR.
Hindi, sino yung frontman? Sino kaya frontman? Kasi sa
Sino
US,
yung frontman?
Mr. Beast eh, di ba? O, di ba?
Mr. Beast.
Puta, si Kuya Will!
Kuya Will! I know!
Mali, boy.
Ano, sino?
Ni Bilyar.
Ilang yan.
Eh, dahil ng lupa dito.
VIP yun, gago.
VIP yun, hindi naman nanood.
VIP yun, bro.
Si Tito Vic at Joey, bro.
Putang eh.
Si announcer si Jose.
Mga sasali.
Sali. Sali ako.
Sali ako dun.
Sali ako, bro.
Sasali ako, I
Ano,
need money, bro.
Ang backstory
Money, bro.
ko na ano,
And money, bro.
ang backstory ko na naubos sa Magic the Gathering cards sa gacha yung pera ko. Ikaw utang-utang na ako.
Ako, nag-all-in ako sa Lakers, tas talo yung Lakers.
Ikaw, Ken. Ano yan?
Ako?
sa'yo?
Mutang ako ng pinamagandang PC sa buong mundo. Yun lang.
Tang ina mga lord.
Sa mga story.
Ikaw dyan.
Tayo ng mga lord to.
Sabi ko, wala lang. Nandito lang ako.
I just want the money, bro.
Sabi
pala
ko
siya?
lang.
Kasi, hindi ako
Kasama pala siya sa
supposed
loob.
Palitan ko yung akin.
Yun
Ano?
na.
10 years na ako hindi nagbabayad ng Merali ko, Bili ko, gago.
Pag,
Puta, puro tulong ka
Kuryente
na.
pa. Ba't may kuryente ka pa?
Okay. Who would win though? Among us, who would win, bro?
I don't
Who do you
know.
think would win, bro?
we will
I think I'm the first one to die kasi I'm stupid as fuck.
What the fuck?
I know myself, bro.
Inang
Hindi ko alam eh. Minsan I get nightmares from yung sa Squid Games pa lang, you know? Or probably like, parang lagi mo sa isipin, puta, ano kayang gagawin ko sa ganung ano, no?
Kasi
Kasi by levels yun, di ba? By levels.
Eh.
Like imagine, dun ka nasama sa tanga-tanga, di ba?
Oh, shit.
Yung
grupo.
hila-hila po, tangina po, tanga, imagine nahulog ka sa ganun.
Yeah, dude,
Bali-bali.
I swear I'll 100% die sa mga physical mga
Physical activities niya.
sa mga
Challenge.
physical- like for example like yung jump rope, puta, I die.
Ah,
Dude,
yeah.
first jump, I'm dead, bro. Dude, I'm dead. Dun sa ano pa yun, yung tug of war, bro, I'm dead. I'm dead in in tug of war.
Che.
Dun sa tangina pinaka-ayoko yung yung hide and seek. Fuck that, man. I'd rather be the one what do you call this? Na naghahanap. I'd rather be the one na nanaksak kaysa yung humahabol. I'd rather hunt than be the hunted. Kasi kung ako yung nag-hunt and then wala ako napatay, dude, I'll just be shot. I'll just be shot
Yeah.
to death. That's it. Easy death. Tapos putang ina yung nangyayari doon sa hide and seek kasi tangina yung ginigripuhan ka ng ilang beses eh.
Yeah.
Gigil yung mga taong pumasaksak sa'yo.
Hoy, di pa niya
Fuck that.
napapanood. What the hell,
Okay lang
man?
yan. Okay lang yan. Di
Go
naman
lang.
niya alam kung sino yung masasaksak. Eh.
Go lang, gago.
I love that guy too, bro.
Damn, ano pa ba? Like, damn, I hate those games, bro. Basta yung mga kapagod na games doon, fuck that. Yung mga yung relay na may trompo, yung may
yeah.
preso.
Papalit-palitan.
I'd fuck with that, bro. Yung Jolin, I'd probably win. But other than that, I die. I just die, bro. Okay, question about Squid Game din. Bago natin tapusin tong topic with Squid Game, okay? So 'di ba sa Squid Game may nagbobotohan sila or kung isa-stop nila yung
Ay, tutuloy.
games o hindi. Diba?
Yes.
So, at what point would you stop, bro? Like, ilan yung share mo sa pera?
Ako?
So, let's say, okay, 1 million pesos. Are you gonna stop or not?
Hindi pa kasi sa buong bahay, pre. Kailangan ko bahay, lupa.
Okay, alright. Ikaw dyan.
Di ko alam
1 million pesos. 1 million pesos.
You know,
Baba nun.
Ididepende ko sa last game. Legit. The most unrealistic thing na nangyari kasi sa Squid Games is like no one seems to be fucking bothered about dying. Alam mo yun?
Dying, yeah. It's either they die or not. Kasi yun, sinabi na
Isip nila
nila
yung
yun
pera
sa
nila
first
eh.
season eh. Kasi parang they said
Inutang nila.
that
Pag
their
nag-no
life...
kasi, maghahati-hati sila sa dun sa cash prize
Yeah.
sa taas.
Yeah.
Nasilo
I don't know, bro. If you
Nasilo na
live in
sila
the
sa
Philippines
pera.
and then sabihin natin, if you Pilipinas ka, di ba? And then sabihin natin yung prize money is the same money as yung yung nandun. Putang ina, like 16k each, 20k each is already like 1 million. Alam mo yun? Almost 1 million. So like, what the fuck? You know, that's good enough, bro.
Depende rin kasi. Yung mga utang kasi nila dun on
Utang
the
nila
billions
billion eh.
That's maybe that's why yung
Hindi sila nag-out kasi-
ini-invite nila sa ganun is yung lubog na lubog talaga.
Lubog na
Yung
lubog
to the
na
point
utang.
na they die trying.
Hindi, kasi
Trying
yun yung
to
sabi nila,
pay
di ba,
for it.
sa first season na parang death is better than going back to the life they had.
Oo.
before
Yeah,
the games,
kasi-
eh. Kaya they were willing to risk it all, bro. So, okay, 1 million. Wala, game pa.
Wala.
Alright,
Wala.
5 million.
Atik, di na ako dyan, idol. Okay na ako
Wala,
dyan.
wala,
Stop
hindi.
na ako.
Hindi ka-
Stop na ako dyan.
Stop ka na.
No.
No, by the time na 5
Comment,
million na
pre.
kasi, puta, konti na lang kayo. So yung iba nakaganon na putang ina, konti na lang yung kakalabanin ko dito, idol. Mga wala pang, mga stick pa to.
No,
Ano, I mean?
okay, let's remove the factor na alam natin yung games, alam natin, kilala
Yeah,
natin
sige.
yung mga kano natin. This is just purely like, how much money do you need? Okay. And how much money is enough for you?
Ano ba yung cash prize? Ano ba yung full cash prize doon?
It depends.
Depends
It's like, I
sa
think it was
mga
like 48 billion or 48 billion.
Ano siya?
Trillion yata sa pera natin yun.
500 million pesos.
500
Oh.
million pesos.
Yes.
Billion pala.
Okay. O sige, okay. So 5 million.
33 million USD, bro.
I know, 500 million pesos. 14 billion won.
Okay. Alright.
Cheers.
So out na si Ken. Out na si
Out
Ken.
na ako, 5 million
He's
is-
happy with 5 million. Alright. 10 million. Di pa rin.
Di, puta, ano ba kailangan mo
Di
sa
ka pa
buhay?
rin.
Putang ina.
It's not about the money.
Damn, bro, you wanna win.
Bills cannot be that high, man. Bills cannot be that high, bro.
It's not about the money, bro.
Hindi, tama. Gago, kahit gano'n pa kataas pera mo sa labas ng Squid Games, illegal pa rin pumatay. Kaya doon na lang tayo sa Squid Games.
Oh, shit.
Putang ina yan.
ina mo.
Sumali para pumatay ng tao.
Lumabas yung bala.
Okay. 10 million. Game pa kayo. 10 million. Game pa kayo.
Game pa.
Okay, game pa. 20 million pesos.
Payat.
Puta, kailan ko billion.
Putang
Payat,
ina na ito.
pre.
Mga talo, mabibili nyo.
Holy shit.
Payat.
Puta, imagine nanalo ka, generational wealth yun, boy.
Ay, narispakin true. Wala mo yung mga ano mo, apu-apuan mo sa tuhod, di na magtatrabaho.
Okay. 30 million pesos.
Payat pa rin.
Oh my God. Dude, I'd stop in 30.
Oh,
I wish,
Yeah,
oh,
wish-
I hope may
I'd
nanonood
stop at 30.
na...
Honestly, ito ang sasabihin ko. Okay. May pambili na ako ng AA86.
Oh, shit.
May pambili na ako ng what do you call it? Probably bahay sa Japan. And then the rest of the money is for retirement money na.
Damn.
I'm
30
done.
million,
I'm done.
bro.
I'll start a business. 30 million, bro. 30 million.
At that point, siguro,
Ano pa, payat.
ano na lang kayo, 20 na lang kayo. Tapos, majority doon, siguro 11 mag-yes na kasi yun yung mga nakasurvive from before na nag-yes.
Yeah.
I think I can do a lot with 30 million, you know? Para sa akin.
Payat.
Payat
Payat
pa.
to
Okay,
payat.
40 million pesos.
Kailan yung billion?
Malapit na.
Puta.
Malapit na.
50 million.
Okay na ako dun kasi di naman ako aabot dun.
Ano mo, pinataas mo lang wala habang
Taas mo lang, hayop ka.
Yes! Bahala kayo magpatayan
Oh,
dyan.
Realistically, what would you do with 50 million? Tingnan nga, if you win, or let's say for example, you come out with 50 million joining the Squid Game, what would you do with it?
Sino? Ako?
Ikaw? Oh, yeah. Kasi it took you 50 million to stop. So, what are you gonna do with your 50
Hindi
million?
bili kong hektar-hektara ng lupa tapos bibreed ako ng manok.
Putang ina na ito. Buhay ng ina mo.
Magiging atong ang...
Putang ina.
Gagawa
The
na
next
sarili mo
atong ang
Squid
kabala
Game. Chicken games na.
Trinil games, pre.
Inang
Kung may
yan.
Beast games, may Trinil games.
No, seriously,
Hindi,
gagawa ka na. Are you gonna make a chicken farm?
No. Wala eh. Wala akong maisip. Pero
That's 50
siguro,
million, man.
clear all the debts lahat ng nasa family ko. Ganyan.
Oh, shit.
Kung
Okay.
may utang man. So, para clear lahat. Tapos bila yung compound. Tapos lagay ko sa mga business. Kuha kong mga kondo. Mostly sa business siguro. Tapos
Pinapaikot na yung pera.
Paikot na lang. Tapos mamuhay sa tahimik na lugar. Alam mo yun.
Damn. Okay.
Japan rin, syempre. Bahay sa Japan, ganyan.
If you
Palagay
think
ko
about
na
it,
doon.
50M is not so much, bro.
Actually,
Like
50M
kung
is not so
Alphard,
much.
oo.
50M, tangin na. Sweldo lang yan ng mga, yung mga,
May mga kondo nga
influencer sa
dito,
casino
23M.
Oh.
Million, liit pa.
Exactly, bro. May mga bahay nga, yun nga yung 11M, mga ganun, 12M.
11M.
Tapos maisip mo, putang ina. I will never earn that shit in my life, you know? So, like, it
So,
gives you
sad reality,
existential
bro.
crisis, you know?
Existential crisis. Tangin na, mga nanalo sa loto nga, mga 100 million, 200 million. Tangin na, hindi na kailangan pumatay. Super RNG nga lang.
RNG, yeah.
50 million. Alright, so Neil is okay with 50 million. John, payat pa ba?
Sobrang payat nun, gago.
Sobrang payat pa. 100 million.
Payat pa rin.
What the
Putang ina, what the fuck you want in life?
What are you gonna spend with 100 million pesos, bro?
Payat pa rin. Oh.
Payat pa rin.
Ano ba kailangan mo? Ano mo gusto mong bilhin?
Ngayon lang siguro maisip ko na, ay putang ina, laking pera nito kasi yung the way you spend. Pero I have seen it, bro. I have experienced it. Yung 5K lang yung laman ko sa bangko. Tapos ay napatagal ko pa yun ng isang buwan. Ngayon, putang ina, 5,000. Parang
Mababalik ako sa loob ng game.
Fuck!
Lalaro ulit ako. Payat yung 50
Amen.
dollar.
What the fuck is going on?
Pabalik pa daw siya, pre.
May invite ka ulit, tapos babalik ka.
Pa-invite na lang ulit.
Ang ina yan, 100 million. Holy shit.
I mean,
150.
you literally risk your life getting that shit, you know?
Yeah, exactly. You probably killed a lot of people already getting to that then, no?
Yes, and
Fucking A, dude.
I would stay more, ano, kill more. De joke.
Tangina. How about 200 million pesos?
Puta era yung yung price nga is ilan to?
500 million, bro.
Wow.
We're almost half.
A billion.
We're almost half, man.
Puta na 1.8 trillion yung price dun sa unang Squid Game, okay? 1.8 trillion pesos. Pesos, bro.
What the
Exactly.
Yeah, you're rich.
So sabihin natin every time may namamatay, divide mo yun, di ba? Ilan sila? Di ba 400? Umabot 500 sila, di ba?
There's like 500. Divide that by 500. You get, so each person is worth what?
Divide by 500.
4, 5, 6
What
na
the
ata
hell?
sila.
3.6 billion per person.
3.6 billion per person?
Yeah, feeling
No
ko,
way, bro.
I mean, ano kasi to eh, dollars kasi to eh. Alam mo yun, like,
How much
or
price
maybe-
per Squid Game? So the price money is 45 points. It's $31 million. So $31 million. $1 million.
mali na, napadami pala yung zero ng akin, lads, napadami yung zero.
Putang ina mo, 1.6 oo.
Ilan, 1.6 billion?
1.7 billion lang.
Okay.
So 1.7, okay, 1.7.
I'm a Pio ka?
Divided by
Divided by 500. 500 bro, 500. 3.4 million. Isang taong namamatay.
3.4 million
Damn!
kada tao. See,
Damn!
So on my end, 10 people fucking died. I know, not really.
Damn! Think about that shit, bro! Ang ina,
How many
pre.
people died? How many people died on my 30 for me to get 30 million? Huh? So 1, 7.
Ano mo, times 3 million, times 10 mo, kung may namatay na 10 tao, you get 34 million, bro.
What the hell?
So sabihin natin din, namatay is like 200 katao. Gago. Imagine that shit.
Nice.
Hindi pala, hindi pala kasi paghatian nyo pa yung yung 34 million eh, kung ilan yung natira, so hindi pa, mga konti. Kailangan, I think 300 people has to die, feeling ko.
Fuck, man. Sobrang late game na yan. That's kinda like...
Pre, yung natira sila, 9, ano na yun eh, asa 500 million na yun eh. Yung paghahati-hatian eh.
Yeah.
11 na lang sila nun.
Damn, bro.
No, from 500. Ooh. Damn, grabe pala kala ko. Kung ilang daan lang.
Dude, I'd probably be like tweaking, bro. Like,
Kaya pala no.
like 30
Kaya
million na
okay.
puta dahil.
Naiintindihan ko na kung bakit nag-i-stay yung iba, okay? Konti pala.
Ang konti pa rin pero dami nang namatay.
Isipin mo, 10 namatay, di ba? 34 million na yung nandun sa taas. Like, oh my God, that's a lot of money. Pero i-divide mo siya to 400, like ilan? 500 people, so 490 people. You only get 69k per person.
Damn.
Sabi ko, fuck you! Tayo na, pagpatayin na tayo dito. Ngayon pala.
Damn bro, meron nga nagpapaano eh, di ba? Na 100 yung bayad, doon ka na lang. Magpaano ka na lang.
Holy shit,
Kaysa
bro.
sumali ka. Kontrata ka na lang.
Tang ina, I'll just put my fries in the bag, bro. Holy shit.
Malay mo, iba yung
Okay.
ano, di ba? Kasi USD ang ano nila doon, di ba?
Ito na nga
Iba
yun.
yung
no?
ano, VIP.
Anyways, that's it.
Ako,
It's good.
I'm-
This is some good
I'm-
math. This is some good math.
I
Maintindihan
don't think
natin.
I think
bakit
the
yun.
math is I don't think the math is even mathing, but I'm just gonna say na parang whatever happens, 30 million doon ako. I'm done.
30 million, bro.
30 freaking million. I'm done, bro.
Malay mo, 1 million kada tao. Di ba kasi 500 million pesos eh.
Sabihin natin,
So,
400 lang
tatlong-
namatay, tapos i-divide to sa 100 ka tao. You only
100
get
million.
you only get 13 million each. 13.6 million.
So,
Pag 100
400?
na lang, 100 na lang kayo natira, yeah.
God damn.
That shit is
Tagal.
ass! 13 million. Well, I mean, 13 million pa rin naman kayo.
No, hindi 13 million.
Alam mo ang gagawin ko?
Iba 4
kasi
million lang.
Alam mo gagawin ko? Magtatrabaho na lang ako as one of those guys with the circles and the squares and the triangles sa na mask. Okay.
400
be a soldier.
million.
Hindi kasi
Feeling
3.4
ko-
million
feeling ko matasaman sa
tuwing may
nila
namamatay
dun
nila eh.
Ha?
3.4 million tuwing may namamatay na dadagdag dun sa piggy bank.
3.4 million.
So sabihin natin namatay ang
Ain't no way these guys are actually trying to calculate the
What
fucking...
the fuck?
I wanna calculate it, bro. I wanna
Kinakalculate niyo yung buhay ng
sabihin
tao.
10 na lang kayo natira, nawala is 450. 10 na lang kayo natira. Divided by 10. Puta, 153 million, bro. Kailangan matira tayo doon, okay? Dapat top 10.
Pwede na yan.
Dapat
Pwede na
top 10 tayo
yan,
doon, okay?
Putang inang yan.
Top 10 tayo doon.
Tapos nagboto pa rin tayo, no? Sa final, magbobotahan. Oh, guys, stop na natin to, ha?
Hindi, dapat apat tayo, tapos may kakonsyaba pa tayong dalawa pa. Okay, sabihin natin, guys, no tayo, ah.
What if the plot twist is si Neil
Mag-yes.
didn't fuck it?
Ang ina, sasakalin ko si
Neil.
Sakalin natin.
Why?
He's gonna have like that slow smirk. Yung parang slow, no, I don't think I will.
Alam mo yung Joe Biden meme, yung naglalakad na mapunta sa check tsaka X
Sorry,
ayun.
pare, oh yeah. Alam mo, parang siya na lang yung kailangan mag-vote
kasi
para
5-5
masabi.
na, 5-5 na,
Oo,
5-5.
para ma-decide kung tutuloy yung game mo yun. Putang ina, nag-yes siya na.
4-5,
tuloy pa.
4-5,
Fuck,
4-5
bro.
yun.
I would kill you, bro. I'll kill you myself. I would, bro. I would kill you.
Ba't ka naman gagawin kasi yun?
Hindi, wala lang. Hypothetical.
Hypothetically.
Nakita
Ikaw
mo
lang kasi
yung
nagpipicture kung gawin yun.
nakita mo kasi yung mga susunod na yung mga nakatambay doon sa gilid. Uy, puta, kaya natin to, gaganon kaga.
Fuck, man. Well, that's
No.
it for, I
Yeah.
guess that's it for Squid Game. Sayang wala si Chris dito to talk about it.
Yeah.
Ayun, I think for now, that's it for our
That's it, yeah.
Podcast?
Pinoy's podcast. We talked about cosplay. We talked about My Chemical Romance. We talked about Squid Game. Honestly, I think we could have talked more about Squid Game if nandito si Chris, but wala siya. So maybe next time, pag napanood na ni John yung actual Squid Game. There are also a lot of other topics na gusto namin sanang pag-usapan, pero we are out of time. Like for example, sabi ni Suzette, kailan balak magkaanak?
Ay!
Oh,
Ano tayo dyan, guys?
sasagutin
Masakit na
natin
tiyan
yan
ko.
next
Yes,
time.
next
Sa susunod. Sa susunod.
There's also a thing going on right now, pero we're still trying to see the developments of this, yung online gambling.
Yeah.
Online gaming,
hindi ba,
ginawa
hindi ba?
ng online gambling. That'll be great. We are looking forward to try Neil's insights about this one next time, if ever.
Regulator.
Also, when it comes to like
Umamasume?
Umamusume is absolutely popping out right now. I don't know if this is just a phase, but right now, my fucking Gloco Gaming page is an Umamusume page now, and
You fucking walking
and I
influencer.
absolutely love it, bro. I'm milking the shit out of it, but I love it, bro. The lore behind the fucking horses,
Horses.
and then the anime, and then the game is just so good. Pero saka ko na pag-uusapan yan next time when we have more time. Okay. Ano pa ba? HOK is popping off right now kasi I don't know, may campaign sila. Nandun na sila Doggy, yung top 3
Yes.
nila.
The
Nandun na
biggest.
rin.
Andun na rin tayo.
Doon na rin kami.
Actually, kaya that's why we're cutting this podcast short kasi mag-scream kami ng HOK.
Yes.
Let's bring it go. Tingnan natin. Let's see the developments of this one. But anyways, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa episode ng podcast na ito. And this is episode, I think, 68? 69? I forgot. 69 yata.
Let's try the low
50,
cosplay
59.
journey.
59. Okay. Epas. 69. Episode 69 needs to be super special.
Baliktaran.
Okay.
Tama,
It has
tama.
to be super special. Tandaan. So, we're almost breaking to 60. So, congratulations sa atin.
Let's go!
Maraming. Alright. And also, speaking of Squid Game, alam mo yung mga VIPs natin?
Ayan!
Alam na!
Yung mga
Ayan!
patrons natin, yung mga
Patrons natin!
VIPs natin.
Ito si
Ayun,
Boss
that-
Jaytan, siya yung VIP. Yes.
Lahat sila VIP.
Lahat sila VIP in my heart. Okay. Hindi ko sila, hindi ako magkikringe sa kanila. Kahit,
Tama.
Kahit may accent sila. So, thank you so much
Thank you,
to
guys.
our dear Patreons for continuing your support. At ang PR karting!
Oy,
Naku po!
malapit
Napanood
na.
Napanood nyo na
Napanood
yung draft.
na.
Napanood na yung
pa.
draft eyeball.
Di
Napanood na
pa.
nila dyan yung draft. Napanood na kin yung draft. So,
It's
malapit
nice.
na malapit
Malapit na, guys.
Yeah, it's amazing. Ang problema nga lang, ito lang walang POV si Ken.
Wala akong
Yeah,
POV.
kasalanan
No,
ni
wala. It's
Globo.
missing, guys.
Nawala yung POV ni Ken. Oh my
Si
God.
Globo
But don't
may
worry.
kasalanan.
We'll-
Akin,
we'll make
nandito
it
pa
up.
yung POV ni Jen.
Okay, mas
So, ano yun?
maganda yung POV ko. Okay, umamusam yung POV ko. So, don't worry about it. Okay, nag-crash yung drone ko pa. Okay,
Nice.
may drone crashing scene pa yun. Abang Wait, I hope they do include the drone crashing scene.
They did
But,
not.
yeah, they did? Oh,
They did
fuck yeah, man. Kasi hindi ko pa they did not. Damn it.
Damn.
But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And for those of y'all who wants to keep supporting us, follow us on our socials, /Pinoy's Realm, /Pinoy's Place dito sa YouTube. Also, listen to us on Spotify. May late nga lang na 1 week yung mga episodes namin. But updated naman, no, John?
Yeah.
Spotify? Yes, sir.
Hopefully.
There you go. Support us there. And if you guys want to support us directly, go to patreon.com/PNoiseRealm. Alright. Thank you so much.
Hey, guys.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Oh, peace.
Bye-bye.
Yeah!
Magawa.
Yeah!
Yeah. Sheesh.